Welcome back to the channel. Today we're sharpening our measurement game with a guide to the best laser tape measures. Whether you're working on home renovations, construction, or precise DIY projects, these laser tape measures provide quick, accurate readings for both short and long distances. We'll be showcasing top models that offer durability, easy-to-read displays, and advanced features like area calculation. Ready to find the perfect laser tape for your toolkit? Let's dive in. And as always, all the product links are in the description below. Number 5. Huepar DT30 2-in-1 Laser Tape. For professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, accurate measurements are essential, and the Huepar DT30 digital laser measuring tape offers a streamlined solution. Combining the power of a digital laser measure with the convenience of a traditional tape measure, the Huepar DT30 delivers precision, versatility, and ease, making it a valuable tool for any toolkit. The Huepar DT30 is designed for users who need reliable measurements in a variety of settings. Its laser measurement range extends up to 197 feet, 60 meters, enabling it to measure long distances with an impressive accuracy of 1/16 inch through 2 millimeters. Meanwhile, for shorter, more accessible measurements, its built-in tape measure reaches up to 16 feet, 5 meters. The laser itself operates with Class 2 laser power, maintaining a safe yet visible red beam within a wavelength of 630 to 670 nanometers, ideal for indoor and outdoor usage. Beyond range and accuracy, Huepar has added several thoughtful features that enhance the device's usability. The backlit LCD screen ensures readability in low-light conditions. Number 4. Laser Tape Measure 3-in-1 Digital Tape. If versatility and accuracy are your top priorities, the Laser Tape Measure 3-in-1 Digital Tape is a standout tool for any measurement job. Designed to handle both short and long distances, it combines a laser rangefinder, a 5-meter steel tape measure, and a laser cross-marking tool into one compact device. With this 3-in-1 design, you'll find it equally suited for construction, renovation, and other precision-demanding projects. The Laser Tape Measure 3-in-1 goes beyond basic measurements with its extensive range of functions. The laser rangefinder, available in 40 meters or 60 meter options, ensures that you can measure long distances with pinpoint accuracy. Additionally, the device offers single and continuous measurements, as well as area, volume, and Pythagorean measurements. A complete toolkit in one. This tape measure has been built with durability in mind. Number 3. NICEYARD 3-in-1 Laser Rangefinder 5M Tape. The NICEYARD 3-in-1 Laser Rangefinder 5M Tape is a game-changer for those who need an all-in-one measuring device. This compact, multifunctional tool combines a laser rangefinder, 5-meter tape measure, and laser cross-marking function, making it incredibly versatile for various projects, from home renovations to professional engineering work. With its laser rangefinder offering long-distance measurements, up to 40 meters or 60 meters, this device ensures you can measure accurately over extended spaces. Plus, the laser's cross-marking function provides easy vertical and horizontal reference lines, ideal for tasks like hanging shelves or aligning furniture. It's a feature that saves time and boosts accuracy, allowing you to tackle tasks that require high precision with confidence. The tape measure is equally impressive, made from durable manganese steel and coated to resist wear. Number 2. TTAC A7 Portable Laser Tape. The TTAC A7 Portable Laser Tape brings a new level of convenience and accuracy to measuring, combining a powerful laser rangefinder with a 5-meter tape measure in a compact, durable design. With this tool, professionals and hobbyists alike can enjoy precise measurements, easy operation, and versatility, whether they're on a construction site or handling home renovations. Crafted from high-quality aluminum alloy and ABS plastic, the TTAC A7 is built to withstand the rigors of daily use. Its shock-proof and waterproof design adds an extra layer of durability, ensuring it's ready to handle tough conditions. Available in stylish color options like black and blue, red, or gold, it's as attractive as it is practical. Perfect for anyone who values both form and function in their tools. Number 1. Mileseey Portable Laser Distance Meter. The Mileseey Portable Laser Distance Meter offers a versatile, high-precision measuring experience in a compact design, perfect for both short and long-distance measurements. This 3-in-1 tool combines laser measurement, tape measurement, and digital display modes, making it a powerhouse of convenience for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. The laser mode provides accurate long-distance measurements, ideal for jobs requiring precision. It can quickly capture distances with impressive accuracy, eliminating the need for guesswork. The tape measurement mode offers the flexibility to handle shorter hands-on measurements, making this tool versatile enough for any situation. Thanks for watching, and that's for all this video. If you liked this video and it helped in any way, please give this video a like, and if you don't want to miss out on any future videos, subscribe to the channel.